bags. This was my first bag that I had got, and unfortunately they had sent me this bag and it had been taped up like this, and instantly when I got the bag I was like, oh my goodness, this has been tampered with. Somebody had got my bag, and I mean, I didn't even know if I'd lost half my stuff in my IPSY bag because it was already almost open, like literally almost open. So after opening it, I got this. Well, the zipper, I had fixed it, but my zipper was like all messed up on it, and it really had a hard time zipping, but I was able to get my boyfriend to fix it. And my product, so that was one issue. The bag was not really all top quality like I'm used to. Then I had got this product right here. And it was already opened. Like there was no sticky thing on it. Like you know how you got the tape and it usually keeps the product in there. It was not in there. And I was like, oh my goodness, somebody has already opened my product and decided they didn't want to mail it back to me. That's my instant thought, but you know, that's maybe dramatic.
I'll be there for you, calling me when you're lonely, dancing on the roof. It feels like rendezvous. You know what to do, keep your love for me only.
IPSY's made glam bag, all about the bag. It's bright, cute, covered in passport stamps, and so good for packing all your travel size products.
High on you, yeah you. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire.
The SL Miss Glam N15 eyeshadow brush. I think this brush is so cute. It's got the purple and blue tip, and I just cannot wait to use it.
Now, you see that this was already open too. Like, my whole bag, I seriously thought it was like tampered with because like everything in the bag was already open. And I'm like, oh my goodness. So, I did contact IPSY and I told IPSY, I was like, hey, I got my bag and everything. Hold up. Baby, bring it here! It could be in my video! So we are at, where are we at? Kanawha Falls. And I'm recording my IPSY video for you guys, and my boyfriend just found the cutest little thing. Let me have him, he's so cute. Show him. Ah, he's so cute. No, isn't he cute? This nail polish, I don't know if you can see it, is a beautiful purple. It's Pretty Woman nail polish. And I cannot wait to try it out.
It's all time. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire. It's all time. Don't you know I'm done. Don't you know I'm done. It's all time. Don't.
Painting therapy pack. I am so excited to do. I love the clay mask. I recently used a clay mask like just the other night and I loved it, and I'm excited to get this in my glam bag just to see how it works because I've never tried it before. Now how you use it is you start with a clean skin. So wash your face, go in the shower, go to the sink, wash your face. Apply all over your face, paying attention to areas where your skin needs a little love. Let it set 10 to 15 minutes, rinse off with warm water. That's it. So I mean, how easy is that, right? NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream. How to use it. Master your matte lip looks. Using the applicator wand, line your lips with this creamy matte lip color. Fill in the rest of your lips with the lip color. Blot your lips on a clean tissue to prevent excess lip color from getting onto your teeth or smudging onto the skin around your lips. Tip: start by exfoliating your lips with a scrub for even more and smooth application. Now the Elizabeth Mott Shimmering Eyeshadow, I got the Mermaid Teal. I am in love with this color. It's so cute. I mean, I love the mermaid theme, period, for summer. I mean, that's just perfect summer, theme.
Now this is my replacement bag that IPSY had sent me, in replacement of my bag that was destroyed and was missing items.
Dancing on the roof, it feels like rendezvous. You know what to do, keep your love for me only. my feelings on fire. It's all time. Hey baby, kiss me hard, don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire. It's all time.
I want to get a picture of him first. Want something.
Hold him up then, I got you.
He's so freaking cute.
I seen his shell from all the way down here.
Okay, he wants to go back, baby. Take him back so I can finish my video. Alright.
Where you going?
Anyway, I had got Theo. Can you hold my IPSY bag up with him?
Huh?
Hold my IPSY bag up with him.
This one?
Yeah. No! You gonna act like you want to eat it? Okay, let's take him. You know what's really cool? This IPSY bag, look at the front of it. Oh, you're gonna love this color.